feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the wave. We go bottoms up. We go
This week we're going to be taking out some Portlights and we're going to try to restore them. Some of them do have some damage to them, but we're hoping that we can find the parts to replace and restore these things to better than new condition.
Okay. That came out. Here's our port light. I guess we need to caulk it on
Oh man, look
the
at
outside.
you see the layers of the hull?
Yeah.
All of that should have some sort of seal and coating. You know what I mean? All of that. So we need to do some work on the port itself, the hole, the through hole there. And then we need to
Start working.
seal.
What, just seal it?
Yeah, it needs to be.
With?
5200
No, I mean,
for just like a sleeve, you know, and then
maybe thickened epoxy resin or thickened polyester resin.
maybe.
I don't know. I think we should talk to Billy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with these nooks that we're gonna create for the port lights, or for some of the port lights. I'm cutting these 1x4s right here. I'm gonna cut them down, and we're gonna put them at a 45-degree angle because we're gonna frame in the nooks. Does that make sense? So they're gonna be at an angle like that. And we're going to frame in the nooks with that hardboard. Okay, we're gonna paint them all, and they're gonna go on these port lights. Create like a nook for the teak panels to butt up against. Hope that makes sense. So we cut them into 24-inch lengths at a 45-degree angle. And then turn them into a box, basically. Nothing to it, really. Nice corners. It's gonna look pretty cool. And then you gotta push this button to make it stop. So now you need a paper towel like this one. Wet is usually better, but.
Everything looks fine.
Okay, now you gotta make it smooth so that there's no lines. It just looks like one piece. Does that make sense?
What are you guys doing?
Making a map.
Painting a map?
Yeah, so we can see anything. We can travel.
Try not to let it see where it's kind of dripping. There you go.
Which is, you want to paint this too, right?
Yep.
Asher, why don't you paint these sides? Here. This goes nice.
I think somebody want to help me. I think Mommy. Mommy is a great painter.
So is Alexander. Paint it.
Okay, boys, paint. Is that?
Yeah.
How do we make a net for this? You know? How do we make a nap?
What's a nap? Oh, a man.
A nap is mean that you can travel any lands. Paint, paint, paint! Come on. Come on! Paint! Paint.
Take these apart and see if we can salvage them. See if we can turn them back, restore them, and make them useful again. But as it stands right now, they're no good. Thank you, son. Come on.
Did they paint it already?
These were marked from the factory or from the manufacturer, from starboard 1, port 1. So these right here, babe, are drain holes,
Yeah.
and they're clogged up.
Yeah, with 40 years of gunk.
Gunk and boogers, and so they haven't been draining. So that's obviously an issue too. Wow. And then these seals, I don't know what's up with these seals, if they've ever been changed.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think these
But-
have ever been
Serviced
serviced.
or maintained at all. It's okay. We're gonna do it. Hopefully we can restore them. Hopefully we don't have to completely replace them, but
Like, if you look, when I lift, you can see, like, the junk just, like, flows out of it. Sometimes.
huh.
Not the best spray painter. But
Spray your shoe.
the work shoe.
After disassembling them, cleaning them all up, wire brushing the studs, replacing the lenses where the lenses were broke, or just cleaning the lenses, and then unclogging all the holes, and then painting them, we've got them reassembled, and now we're going to go ahead and give them a shot and see how they look. We're pretty satisfied with the way it turned out. I think this is going to work. We also have the paneling painted on both sides and the cutouts ready to go, but you're gonna have to stay tuned and check that stuff out next week.
Try to get them looking like these.
Please show some support by clicking the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching.